I'm trying different methods just to see what makes it easier to edit. So hopefully the quality is pretty good and you guys can hear me. Here it is. I took all the tape off, all the masking tape. There's the finished product. Looks pretty good. I did tape off all these hoses and stuff. Give you guys a little walk around on this side. So that's that right there. Engine is done with the transmission. That's all painted up, looking pretty good. Harness, we're not going to be reusing this one, so I'm definitely going to keep this one stored away because I'm pretty sure it'll be useful for other builds. The manifold we're not going to be using. We have an RBC that got powder coated already. It's already being shipped back to me. Same thing with the throttle body and the EPS. We still have to paint. That was going to be the goal for today, but I forgot the paint. I forgot the painter's tape so we can mask all this off. So that's going to have to be some other time. I did get these painted. Tensioner, I think that's what that is. And this little side mount thing. Got that all painted. Looks pretty good. So today's goal, since I can't paint this, I think we're going to go ahead and take care of this. Now, I got a bunch of overspray. I should have covered all this up, or I should have moved it to another part of the garage. I went ahead and picked this up this morning, and it cleans up interior jobs, thins oil-based paint. So hopefully that can take off all the overspray. So I'm gonna drag this out of here. We'll go ahead and wipe this thing down, and it's going on underneath the car, so I'm not too worried about it. Let me tell you, those things were stuck. Like, I tried to get them off, I couldn't, so we had to cut them. And I had just cleaned this thing, and I forgot about this. So now I gotta wipe this down again. I think we had one more, and that one's for the sway bar. Now, that one's gonna be a pain in the ass. You guys see this? Let me show you this side. There's like a nut on the inside, or the threading is on the inside, and it seems like it just fell out of place or something. I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do. I can't tighten it and I can't loosen it. I don't know if to like cut this off here, right? Cut it off, drill straight through, come out on this side, and then nut and bolt it. I just don't see any other way, unless we can make a hole over here, weld like a nut on the inside or something again. Weld it on here or something. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Yeah, so I think that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna drill straight through this one, nut washer, lock washer, all that, and then just place this back where it needs to be. All right, so I was just cleaning these. These were pretty good. These are good right here. Cleaned them off. Kind of just hit it with this wire brush. And then this one's really boogered up. Not boogered up, but it's really like corroded and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna have to probably order one of these. Hit up Honda, whatever. I'll just bring this with me. Basically, it's this bolt right here. Bolts from underneath up for the control arms. So I just need one more if someone has one. But if you guys don't, whatever. So we got these in. I kind of just left this bolt here just to help me line it up. I'll torque everything down when it's time. There's that side. I'll show you guys from the top. There's this side over here. Now, if you guys are wondering why I went with MOOG, I usually use this stuff. I've never had problems with it. That's why I use it. Also, the fitment is really good whenever I use their inner, outer tie rods, you know, sway bar lengths and stuff like that. I never had problems. So it's kind of why I went with that. Also, this car is going to be for my girl. So we're aiming for this car to be super comfortable. We don't want something that's super stiff, and I think this was just a better decision. Also, for the price point, I think these are like 60 a piece. I know K-Tune has one. I know you can change out the bushings for like energy. You could also buy these brand new, which is super expensive, but MOOG to me is gonna be fine. And if these bushings ever go bad again, I'll just buy these again, because I don't have to like press in new bushings, do none of that. I just swap it and that's it. 60 bucks each side, done. We don't track our cars or anything, at least not yet. And it's just for us to enjoy the car and just, you know, just have something to cruise around in. I think it turned out really good. So now we can go ahead and move on. I just got to find that one bolt, but that should be pretty easy. Maybe I'll hit up a junkyard or something, pull it out. Probably don't even have to pay for it, just just walk out with it. Subframe matches perfectly. Like, everything is just, I don't know, somehow we managed to get everything to match, which is crazy. This is just a red that the guy picked out that he had laying around, and it matched perfectly to the car. So I don't know how we managed to do that. I'm hoping that when we get the Type R Brembos, it's gonna match perfectly as well. I pretty much sent them like a cap like this, and he just matched the powder coat to it. I don't know, I think having different reds would just look funny. I think I did pretty good today. I have a goal to have this done by the end of this month. I think it's possible for us to do it. The hardest part is actually, you know, removing everything, figuring out what parts you need and all that stuff, but we're past that point, and we're at the point that we could just go ahead and just start piecing everything back together. We still have this we have to weld. This broke when I took the latch off. It just came off, the metal just came off with it, so I'm not quite sure what happened there, but I made sure I didn't paint it on each side and just weld a little plate on there, and then drill through, nut and bolt it, and I think we'll be all right. Now let me show you guys over here. I went ahead and bought a press. The story behind me getting this is because they were going to charge me almost $200 to do like everything that I was going to do. So I was just like, you know what, I'll just buy what I need. I'll buy the shop press, and I could just do it myself, and then, you know, I'm pretty much gonna have a press now for the same price that they were gonna do it for. Hey. All right, so I went ahead and finished. I know I didn't I didn't really record it, but my battery had died on the GoPro, so I went ahead and just finished it up. There's no reason for me to like stop what I'm doing just for the video. So nothing serious. It probably only took me like, I want to say like 25 minutes. I've never owned one of these, so I went ahead and just bought the 20-ton. I'm pretty sure the 12 would have been fine. I think there's a 12-ton for like 140, but I mean, I don't know, just went ahead and got this one. I think it's on there pretty good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bolt this down because it is moving around a little bit. I just noticed this wasn't sitting on here like perfectly, but I don't think I have an option for that because I bolted down right here, also on the back side. So it is what it is here. I think that's just what it is. So now that we have that right there, I think, because I'm kind of all over the place, but I think we can go ahead and start messing around with the suspension and stuff. We're gonna do new wheel bearings, take off this ABS stuff, and then we're gonna do ball joints. We're gonna do that. There's the bearings, Timken. I always go with Timken. They always seem to work for me. So ball joints, wheel bearings, and then we have the extended studs somewhere. I think they might be in here. I don't know. They're around here somewhere. So we got that to do. This video is a little all over the place. Subframe is done. The LCAs are done. Just got to find one bolt. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this one with me. I think I'm going to close out this video here. We might be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. I can only do so much by myself. And even if I had someone else here, I'd like to take my time anyways. I'm not the type to go ahead and rush and got to get this done. Our goal is the end of the month. If we don't, then it is what it is. But I think we can reach that. I think we could do that. If you guys are new here, subscribe. This is what we're doing now, putting this car together. If you guys are already subscribers, already supporting the channel, if you guys want to share these videos and, you know, post them wherever you want, that'd be very helpful to the channel. If you don't, then, you know, it is what it is. I'm out of here. I'm about to go enjoy my day, get something to eat. I'll see you guys in the next video, all right?